So I think we should be live now.
Let's see. Look for it.
Check everything.
Yes.
Should work now. I'm just gonna make sure that I can read the chat. All right, so I should be able to read the chat now. Yeah, that's good. See if everything works correctly hearing wise, like sound wise. I'll share the link in the.
Shared.
You've shared it?
Shared the link. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
Like doing all this setup from the laptop, my MacBook. I think the computer will explode.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I need to buy a new computer.
All right, nice. It seems to work. Everything looks good. Two nice little
Yeah,
bubbles in the
looks very good.
bottom right and the bottom left. Looking good.
Yeah.
Nice mustachio. It's all looking
Nice
fresh.
mustache. Yeah. Fresh cuts.
All right. So for everyone who will be watching this back and who's already here, we're just gonna do some live market overview. I'm gonna see if we find any opportunities to take right now, see if we find any opportunities for in the future, go over trades that we've taken, trades that we potentially missed, trades that you guys have done, all that sort of stuff. And yeah, maybe go over what's going on in the world a little bit. That's Leo's department, but he can maybe say what's going a little bit on fundamentally. And yeah, I think we'll just have trying to have like a fun educational session, interactive. Feel free to ask questions. That's what we're here for. And yeah, make sure to join the Discord if you haven't already. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Supporting the channel is very much appreciated. And yeah, let's just make it a fun, entertaining, good life, shall we?
Yes, dude.
All right. Anything you want to kick off with, or?
The day started pretty slow, but now we see some moves. So I think we'll have an interesting evening. I'm in like 4 trades, lost 2 trades on Nasdaq this morning, but reached 1 to 3 and eventually just collapsed very fast to the downside. Yeah, we'll go over some geopolitics, what's going on in the Middle East, America, Iran. Yeah, we are about to have some news today. Something so interesting.
It looks
Going
like the
there.
DXY really broke a pretty strong area of resistance, so it should theoretically, this should theoretically be a retest, and
yeah, it's a retest. Yeah, looks like. Yeah,
it looks like a retest for now. We'll see if it actually will be. We can't tell yet, but it looks like it will create a retest and potentially go higher. I think that's our bias right now, right? Just a little correction right now, and
yeah, my bias, for sure. My bias is also buying now DXY and selling all the other pairs against it.
Okay, so I can just put it in here. Bullish.
For the short term, I see it also.
Yeah.
The long term, probably the next few weeks, we'll have an agreement between Iran and America. So everything will come down again. See the de-escalation, the markets.
Yeah, I think it's just has room to test this area, and then it can go probably. Looks like on the weekly and stuff, I think it would go down, to be honest.
It's ranging for the past almost 1.5 year.
Yeah, it's ranging for a
The
long time.
the top part, the top AOI, the price 100, the price that always sends it back to the lower prices.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's a
a
massive
very strong area,
resistance. So yeah, like betting against that
very strong.
resistance doesn't make sense. So our bias is pretty much short term long, I think, until that area, and from that area it's just logical to be a little bit more on the bearish side of things. Whenever that gets broken, I think we'll be bullish for quite a while. Yeah, as long as it's under short term, we can switch a little bit biases, but overall long term, I think we're like a little bit bearish on it, no?
In the long term, we're more bearish, but we need to remember because all what's going on in the war and the high inflation in America, so the Federal Reserve is expecting to rise the interest rates and not lower. So when the currency has higher interest rates, it makes the currency much more value for investors. So it can go up again. So the short term, yes, I think towards the AOI that you marked on the graph. In the long term, we'll need to see what's going on with the Fed and the next decisions they'll have.
Yeah. This weekly can still reject though, like the weekly EMA. But yeah, it's looking like it doesn't.
Yeah, it can.
It's
It can, but
more on the
it
side of
broke it
betting.
nicely. Yeah.
Interesting. All right. I wanna.
So euro dollar. I think we had there a trade yesterday. I was in other ones. Yeah,
To
you
like
could
get
take
rid.
this candle snap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this? Colors. All right. It's also ranging, huh? It's not really any.
It's ranging, but in the see.
It's a weekly time frame, so it's like massive.
On the 4 hour, we had a nice trade yesterday, 1 to 2, if someone executed it in the right time. But eventually, this pair is now has a good correlation with DXY.
Which pair?
Euro dollar.
Oh, euro dollar. All right. Oh, this one. Yeah, that's a nice trade.
Yeah, this bit nice. It was nice, but probably you won't take this 1 to 2. But if you would, so you just exit % profit, finish your day nicely. Very fast.
It's basically just a retracement day so far.
1 to 2.
I think we should get some like, not sure if we'll get like candle snap opportunities, but potentially like nice lower. We can get, I think, in not the, let's see, like this 4 hour will probably not give a signal yet, but potentially the other one.
For bearish again?
Yeah. Let's see.
See. I hope that the DXY will be possible to go up again. Because for now, it seems like this support level.
Yeah, I think most logical thing that could happen now is like it's like this one will likely be bullish, but we'll see. But then ideally I have like the next one as like a doji or whatever, and then the next one as a nice
And then a nice
engulfing, and then we
strong
get like an
bearish.
entry on. So it will take actually a few more candles, but I think that would be the best.
But that was the trade yesterday. Like, didn't take it because I saw bigger opportunities, more nice candles on pound and Landy and New Zealand. So yeah.
Yeah, I think it will test this area. If there's a rejection candle from then, like I would be interested in shorts on it. And maybe we can get like a little candle snap action going on. We'll see. Yeah, it looks decent. I'll keep this up here just to keep a closer eye on it. It's interesting. Oh yeah, this one. I actually exited. Like I exited the funded account here. Remember?
I told you that you can take bigger
Yeah,
to
I know,
profit.
but that's fine. Like I would have had like a payout of 400 or something, maybe more.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Well,
it's fine.
I reached there in my trade 1 to 3, but I didn't exit. And actually, I didn't move my stop loss. I'm still thinking if it was against my rules and against my setup rules.
Mm-hmm.
And because actually after 1 to 2, most of the times I'm starting trailing. So the 30 minutes, you can see that it was a nice structure.
Mm-hmm.
And there it was supposed to stop me out
Mm-hmm.
with 1 to 2 RR.
Yeah.
I didn't go out, and now I'm on one, 1 to 1. So
You didn't lower your stop loss.
I didn't. I just moved to break even.
Yeah. I got out here around here with I think I got out a little bit earlier. I got out at 10-ish or something around here
Yeah.
because I didn't want to go overnight basically. I didn't, with this market climate at the moment, I prefer to just like take
Yeah.
profits and I can always re-enter the next day. So
Hmm?
today I could just re-enter here and yeah. It's also looking good.
That's true.
Normally I like these candles to get filled, to be honest. So I'm honestly pretty interesting as short here. How
We
did
just
it?
need to see again a bearish momentum and also a bullish momentum on the DXY. For now, I'm still holding it. Actually, at night I reached to like much like 4.5% in one challenge. Um, that's when your greedy starts speaking.
Yeah.
You want more.
It's one of
Want
my
more.
more the difficulties I have at the moment. It's just managing profit. That's like it's like a luxury position,
Yeah.
but it's a difficult one. I mean,
But listen, we know that our strategy, our setup gives us also live and also backtesting many times 1 to 6, 1 to 10, 1 to 15. That's what we want to also take in the live. So yeah.
I think I'll enter on one account here for sure. It looks like it just wants to go down.
And it left a lot of liquidity. Now I noticed from your graph that it left candles on the bottom without picking them up, without liquidating
These?
them. Let's see. Yeah,
Yeah. Like the
lot
strat
of
that I
money.
tested yesterday, right? Like this would be the entry. So I'm sort of having this up as like a live test.
Hmm?
This would be, but
But that
and also I think it's just normal that price gravitates towards it. Like you said, basically filling the liquidity. There are names for it, like a lot of different names for it, right?
yeah.
But yeah, it gravitates towards this. So it not having tested it yet, it just feels like it's basically just creating a nice lower high for it to go there. And then we'll see if it breaks or not. That's another question. But the likelihood of it reaching this versus reaching the top, I think is like way over 50%. Yo, what's up, Dits? How are you doing? Yeah, I think this.
Actually, this extreme AOI that you are marking in the graph,
Mhm.
supply and demand.
Yeah.
But supply and demand works the best when you know who is in control on the higher time frame.
Hmm. Yeah, I did with
What's
my
going on
very
with
limited
AUD?
test. I did like it went well,
Yeah, you did very
but
well. Yeah.
we'll go over it later on. But I agree. I think that's like I think everything works better with having a higher time frame understanding. Um, but maybe especially this thread. Let's see. Yeah, I think think it looks good. I just want kind of a good entry, so maybe I'll wait for. I want like. I want to pass like an account on it, so I need to have a tight stop loss. So I'll wait for like a 5 minute engulfing, I think, and then ideally I have my stop loss above the 50 EMA on the 4 hour. That would be best, but if I want like 10x or like 5 plus not 8x or something, I need to have like a little bit tighter. Oh, there's a 1 hour 50 EMA, that's nice.
See if there's something that went out in the news
Yeah, is
that
there
moves
news coming?
the DXY.
Yeah, I just want to check because it looks like
No,
it
not
has
something
quite.
special, no.
There's news coming at it's GBP news at 5:40 for me. So it's actually will
Yeah,
impact.
there's the bank. The bank is speaking. Yeah, the
Yeah, the Governor
speaking
Bailey.
of the bank speech. Yeah.
Yeah.
For the DXY, we had like a rough night between America and Iran. America attacked few points in Iran. Also, some gas barrels on the shore.
Oh damn.
So that shows that there is no really any agreement between them now. Um, yeah, and for now, I see it as it's supposed to push the DXY higher. Yeah, see what's going on with it. And AUD NSD, I also see a good opportunity, but now I'm like in two trades, so now I'll move one to break even. Let's see. I think it took me out. It didn't. Let's see.
It's slowing down a little bit. Hmm. Okay. I'm just gonna enter 1 sec.
Here in the live stream, who is watching us?
I think
It,
it's the the three boys at the moment.
Pete, Pete is here.
Yeah.
One trade on AUD NSD break even. That's okay. Let's see what's going on with all the other trades. What are you looking? You want to entry on pound dollar?
Yeah. I'm pretty confident it
In
will
for a
go down.
confirmation?
Yeah, but I want to have like a tight stop loss. So I'm literally looking at a 5 minute chart to, it's slowing down here. But it's not, yeah, I mean, it's not yet a confirmation. 15 minutes also slowing down. It failed to close above the wick. 200 EMA tested. On the 1 hour, the 50 EMA got tested. Some tiny confluences, but nothing too serious yet. But yeah, it would give like a nice 8 or
See if the pound can break this resistant level now is going on. It's heading to. Wait, you're executing the trade from the resistant level.
yeah, I didn't even look at resistance level, to be honest. Just I looked at just overall. I feel like it will go down around this area just because of the candlestick weakening a little bit. But it's very high risk. Like I don't have like a lot of confluence going on. Yeah, you could technically throw up like a resistance here, to be honest. It's like it's nowhere. It's not strong at all.
And let's see if the
Well,
AOI is strong. I'll tell you.
yeah, it's actually like on the 50 minutes
Yeah,
it looks
it
pretty
is. It
decent.
is.
Yeah.
On the 4 hour, you can see it's a strong area.
Yeah.
For now, it seems like the DXY is start trying to break support level, and if it will break it, or it will be a nice fake, and we'll see a nice zoom of buyers will get in the picture very fast. Or the next step is to head down lower to the support level, back to the price of the 98, 500, something like that. Yeah. 2% profits. 2% profits.
Nice.
Sometimes you are just believing your trade, and you don't care about the percentages, huh? You're just holding it.
Yeah, that's what I normally do.
Yeah. So with the 4% that I had, it's like I believe these trades can give much higher.
I
The
just
good
have
with the
problems
good luck
with
and good.
yeah. For me, it's just a little bit harder whenever on funded accounts. I get tempted to close, but
Funded
on
accounts, yeah, for sure.
yeah, I just get tempted to close.
Yeah. Funded accounts, I agree.
So high risk trade.
Equity edge. How many accounts did you say that I can execute the same trades?
I think two accounts, same trades.
Accounts. Okay. Two accounts, the same trades. Start trading on another channel. Challenge. What's going on with the Nasdaq? Let's see. The Nasdaq is falling down. Like it's trying to break a structure towards the downside. See what's going on also with the S&P. S&P 500 towards the downside. Let's see if the next move it will be a small correction. Pullback. Also use the JPY, it can be very interesting. If we'll have a nice bullish candle from this part, really like it.
Which one?
Use the JPY. And as the
Printed a
dollar
really
doesn't
nice
look good
win,
for now.
but it's counter trend, of course. But it would be a nice trade.
Yeah, I won't take it.
No. Almost 3x though. Looks like it wants to go up.
Yeah, it doesn't let it go down. Go down lower than this area. Let's see what I wanted to check. Yeah. The New Zealand dollar has a nice bearish candle on the candlestick strategy, and actually you can see that it really resisted very nice on the 50. And after a while we had a very nice bearish engulfing candle.
Looks
But
good, yeah. But it's
now
already pretty far.
the buyers are in the picture.
Yeah, but it does look good. I mean, you could just get
Yeah.
like a better RR on it, to be honest. I think I'll enter on like one account. It's whoa, the stop loss is 4 pips. uh, that's pretty
No,
strong.
I'm speaking about the bigger candle.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, the big bearish candle.
Ah, speaking about this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's also a
Big bearish
possibility.
candle. It reached to the 50% of the Fibonacci. Resisted it 3 times. Nice bearish engulfing close on the 4-hour. From there, we see that the buyers got in the picture again. Motherfuckers.
See if I can
Now I'm on
combine the
break
two.
even. It's very strong area, yeah. You can also see on the 4-hour. Very nice support and resistance level.
I'll just add. Yeah,
It
it's a
seems like the
strong
pound is
area.
also going.
It's
Pound is also
technically
going to
under the
take me on
area.
break even.
I think I'll be interested in taking the trade like this now. It's like on this 0.75, I'll have the stop loss on the big candle, and like we still have this candle also.
Like I agree because the bearish engulfing on the reaction on the 50. So it's another strong confluence.
Yeah, and the daily close so strong. It just looks like a clean retest as
Yeah,
well.
but the dollar is already broke the support level. So I don't know where it's going head, where it's going in the next direction. But for now, it's like the sellers are trying to push it.
Right.
The setup is a setup, you know. We don't really trade the DXY. It's just give us another clear aspect about the graph and about the markets, why the money moves to this direction.
Yeah, I've been profitable without checking it like ever.
Yeah,
But
I know,
it's
I know.
good to have like an extra bias, that's for sure. Like,
Yeah.
but I don't like if the setup is very clean and it's not according like in line with the DXY, you can still take it. But with like less clean setups, I would be a little bit more on the conservative side and maybe see if you can find
Yeah.
something that's in line with everything. So you're in this short,
See,
like the NZD USD.
1 second, 1 second. I closed the video. I don't see 1 second. Sorry. Yeah, I'm in this short with stop loss on the top of the candle, bearish big candle.
Right.
One short on pound SD, and I'm on long on AUD NSD trades. Just closed one on break even on AUD NSD, and a little bit less than 2% profit, but see it very easily going down to break even all the trades, or even.
Yeah, I always find these days a little bit hard whenever it's like the retracement days, you know? They're a little bit less predictable than the ones that are going
part of
into
the
the normal.
part of the game. Like one day you can be in 4 trades or 5% profitable, and the other day you can be minus. And you're like, oh fuck, why didn't take the trades out? Why didn't try to take some of the profits?
Mm-hmm.
It's part of the game. Sometimes we like all of us know it. Sometimes we win big, sometimes we lose small.
Yeah, it's all about staying in the game and risk management on the bad days.
Yeah.
So you have the money to spend on the good days, and you have the capital to really make money on the good days. Um, my dollar trade's going pretty bad. Let's see. 817. So in these two,
do some backtesting also later on. Want to try AUD and SD on 1 year. See how much percentages we can make. The candle snap.
yeah, I want to do it in the live here.
Our
or
structure.
you
No,
wanna
I
do
think
this?
I'll do it later.
Yeah.
Yeah, later. I like the group that we opened, the strategy group, strategy channel that we're going to send there all the videos and everything explaining the strategy, 0 to 100.
Yeah, it's good for sure.
Going on with this.
How did Pete's trade go? He was in Euro JPY. He was in this one. He either went out of break even or he lost, I think. What's this, bro? AUD USD is looking nice. Let's take a look.
AUD and SD?
USD. AUD USD.
AUD USD. AUD USD. What, for long?
Similar to Euro
Gets
USD.
nice reaction from. So strong momentum.
Yo, Jensen. Welcome, buddy. The new guy on the block. The new kid on the block. I'm doing good. You? I think he might look for shorts for this one. No? I think you're looking for shorts, Dits, on this candle, no? Glad to hear it, Jensen. Happy to hear you like the content. We're working really hard to, trying to simplify trading in a way. And yeah, we're doing a lot of work in the background to perfect the strategy. We're currently even like building an indicator and stuff for it. And yeah, we're putting in some work. It's always good to get positive responses, What sort of style have you traded before? Traded standard deviation before this. Are you familiar with standard deviation, Leo?
No, I traded standard deviation before this. What is it?
Let me Google it.
I don't really know what is it.
Standard deviation. I've heard of it, but I've never traded it or never dived into it.
Never heard of it. About it.
Statistic measurement is portion of a data set relative to its mean. It's calculated. It sounds fairly similar to like the Fibonacci retracement in a way, but the greater the standard deviation of securities, the greater variance between each price and the mean, which shows a larger price range. Yeah, it's like he says, like Fibonacci levels where price reacts off of. Do know how it works, but it does. I think it's like stuff like that are also like self-fulfilling prophecies, because if a lot of people use it, then price responds to the areas. Same with the Fibonacci levels. Like, of course, there's logic that half of like a move is something where people like to seize a discount zone and whatever, and they start looking for entries. But it's also like self-fulfilling prophecy, because a lot of people use the Fibonacci retracement and they see and they keep an eye out on the 0.5 level, so it tends to have like a reaction. So like self-fulfilling prophecy in a way. So I'm sure like if a lot of people use standard deviation, it works similar. And like, what was the like the struggle you had with it? Because you said it had like a little bit higher RR and you were kind of struggling with it, so you were looking for something one risk reward ratio, I think.
It seems to be that many people are wanting to have solid RR in their trading, not to be like mentally a coaster
Yeah, a
with
lot
the
of people
trading.
struggle with the mental aspect of
Yeah.
it, you know. I was too hesitant with my entries, and it was horrible for my mental. What aspect was hard
Yeah.
for your mental? Did the hesit like being hesitant with your entries, or did it came from something else? Yeah, that's why even I like I told Leo that, you know, if you let me just pretty much do my own thing for a month, I'll very likely be profitable at the end of the month. I'll just do sort of a whole different sort of stuff. I see what I like, I enter, and you know, I lose some, I win some, but because of good risk management, I'll end up, you know, and common understanding of the marks, of course, I'll end up making money at the end of the month. But what I told him, because Monday and Tuesday were kind of rough with the news situation and stuff going on, so the market was less predictable. Um, so even me, you know, as like a profitable trader, I was also like, okay, I need to, you know, get uh, like, how do you say it? Like, I would like to have like more, you know, a little rule based. So we're really building. We just added like all the rules to the candle snap strategy on the in the Discord. So even I can hold myself sort of accountable to when to enter, when not to enter, all that sort of stuff. And yeah, I think it takes like a lot of mental aspect away if you're able to, you know, just execute. So don't hesitate. You just know, okay, based off data, it's a good trade. You take it, you know, and again with like good risk management, it takes a lot of the stress away. Um, I don't even know. I have bad FOMO,
And
which is what I'm working on at the moment. Yeah, I can relate, bro. Um, with your indicator you're making will be free for the community. We're still like going back and forth a little bit on it. I think we might do like we're very much still thinking on what to do about it. Um, yeah, I think we'll have more news in the future. We first have to perfect it. We're currently working on it. I think it's like 80% there. We just need to fine tune it, and um, I think it's going to be a mix potentially. But early on, I think it's good to have people test it, probably. Um, don't you agree, Leo? I think it might be
also
good.
people also al- also people that will test it. And the second thing that eventually when people will see many times on videos that it works and it makes for us money, want to invest in it or to get it in the community, whatever. If it will be free or not free, doesn't matter. Like I know many indicators that they cost $15, but eventually they'll help you trade. Yeah, but we need to work on it more and to make it, as you said, more perfection.
Yeah, but
Then we can show it to people.
yeah, but I think we like as soon as we're sort of have a little bit of confidence in it, I think we can maybe have like a test run with it where people can potentially like to try it out for free, or just test it for us and maybe even keep it. I don't know. We'll see we'll see how it goes. But right now we don't have like a solid decision on it yet. What we're gonna do with over time, it will probably be behind like a little bit of a paywall, just because we put a lot of effort in building it, and yeah, just be like probably, but we'll see. But it will be like very minimal, like subscription based. Like it won't be like any like hundreds of dollars or anything. But like we and I would never put anything out that isn't like 100% solid, Like and especially whenever we add like a paywall to it, it will be really good. Like I want to be able to like hold my hand in fire and just say, it's profitable 100%, It's like
Something that we are willing to invest also our own money,
yeah, of
not
course.
only expecting people to buy it. And
Yeah. We'll like literally share trades that we took with it in on like the YouTube and stuff, and in live streams we'll take like trades with it, all that stuff. So whenever we feel as confident in it like that, then it comes to what we'll do with it spreading wise, like sharing it to people.
that's true.
First, we're gonna do have a lot of
See,
behind the scenes testing and stuff.
see what's interesting in the markets. Yeah, euro is pushing again up, holding now on the resistant level. It's reaching also to EMA 50, so I expect a nice bearish momentum can from there. Also reaching to the EMA 50 soon. It's also now on a resistant level. So the buyers are in the picture for now, but as we said in the beginning of the video, Tony, you can see in the next candle, 2 candles, a nice doji, and from there a bearish momentum towards the downside.
Which one was it again?
Australian dollar, I'm not with pound dollar.
Oh yeah. Yeah, pound dollar is
Australian dollar, I'm not really looking for a trade in it right now. I mean, it's more ranging without any one like direction, clear direction. So I'm not trading it for now. Australia, New Zealand, holding now 1 long.
you don't
Second
like
trade
the
that it took me out.
you don't like the AUD USD one? Like that Pete said? I missed it. What I think you mentioned it already.
For short,
Yeah, like this candle. I think he means this candle.
yeah, but if you see already, we have 5 candles and it didn't enter you.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. It could be this candle.
For me now, it says
Already,
probability,
yeah. All right.
especially when it's ranging like this. For me, yeah, if you see it as a good opportunity,
I
check it
think
out.
it's
Also if you go to euro, yeah, also if you go to euro dollar, it's ranging. You cannot see any clear direction. You cannot know who is in control in the market, the sellers, the buyers. One time there is a strong momentum towards the upside, downside. I don't like trading rangings
no.
or consolidations.
Yeah, it's ranging in between here.
Uh,
And then we have like
yeah,
3
like
AOIs going on here, and it's just ranging in between. My
look on USD/JPY, you can see that it's much in one direction.
yeah.
Sometimes there are big spikes towards the downside, but eventually you see that the buyers are controlling the market, and that's what we want to trade most of the times.
Yeah. I think this is the most likely scenario, but it's not yeah, it's not super high probability, of course. I like the EMA lining up with the AOI almost.
Yeah.
But yeah, this
We
basically
can, we
so
can have
far.
we can have a fake. We can have a fake of a breakout and then
Yeah, so far it's just retracement day, which is like not good for it won't give a lot of entries for our strategy because our strategy is pro trend. So like in retracements we don't really have any trades because they're all counter trend.
And trade another short on Nasdaq. Let's see if it goes
You're
on
going hard on Nasdaq,
other
huh?
channels. I'm trying to explode there, but it hits me hard sometimes. It's more on the scalping. Yeah, I'm just using fair value gaps and breaker blocks. Like when it breaks a block, I'm taking it as a breaker block with a resistance or support. When it comes to a retest, take it to the same direction.
You just took a short here
Where? Wait, show
on
me.
Nasdaq.
If you go to the 15 minutes, yes, you can see like on the far leg on the left, you have a block of 30 minutes or 15 minutes, like a few days ago.
Yeah.
If you go much more left, you have somewhere there, block. Yeah. Fair value gap.
Mm, this this one? But yes, no, it's not the one that you're trading off now.
One. Yeah, the one. No, if you go to the 15 minutes, you can see that we just broke this fair value gap on the 15 minutes. So that's a breaker block. From there, I'm trying to trade it, retest, and again down lower.
I'm not familiar with
Because
breaker blocks. Like I've never
it's very,
traded them.
you can mark down the fair value gap, left side, 15 minutes.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, you have only one fair value gap there. Yeah. And from there you'll see that the market broke it. Like
Oh, and it
this
tested.
actually from this fair value gap, I took two trades today that it reached to 4%, but I didn't take nothing out. And then we broke it on the third time that it tried to retest it. We broke, and now we see that it's a strong area. So for me, it can be a nice short, the momentum.
Oh, yeah.
Easy, but let's see. Now almost 1% up.
It goes fast with Nasdaq, yeah.
Yeah, Nasdaq is moving very fast. Nasdaq is moving fast, and actually, it's very nice to trade it on the lower time frame with support and resistance as you are doing with other pairs.
Yeah, my only experience in Nasdaq is when I deposited like 30 euros or something on a real money account, and then I took it to 350 or 380 on Nasdaq in like a week or so, and then I started risking 50 bucks per trade, and I was suddenly like, oh wait, it's like a trade started to hurt just a little bit, and I was like, oh fuck it, I'll take some money out. So I took like 250 out or something, and then I I didn't really continue too much on Nasdaq. I took a few trades, and then I think I lost some, but I just saw how fast you can scale it. You know, like I literally made like how do you say like how much percent? Like 800% or something in like a few days, probably like 5 days,
Yeah,
6 days or something. So I was like, okay, it has like good opportunities for sure for like scalability.
yeah. You can lose very fast also.
Yeah, that's the downside.
Very
It's the other
fast.
side of the
Yeah.
knife.
I think I put it at too big stop, but it's okay. If I put a smaller stop, if I put it a smaller stop on top of the fair value gap block, fair value gap breaker,
Hmm.
would reach already 1 to 2, almost 1 to 2, 1 to 1 to 1.7.
Yeah, I think
Let's
with
put it
trades
a
like
little
that,
bit
it's
bigger.
worth having a tight stop loss. Like just,
Yeah.
yeah,
Fast
just
trades.
above the area. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what, like, that's what, with the, how do you say it? But like the static RR, like I'm with you on the side of, it's tempting to go for bigger ones, but then the static ones do add up. Like if you think about it, if you took like two 4x's, it's already 8x. I mean, trailing to that, and then if you had like this one already like 2x, you have like 10x. I mean,
If if I calculate all the trades that I took the past 2 days, so I took in one portfolio 4.5%, and on Nasdaq 3%, 7.5%, and eventually I'm with nothing in my hands eventually.
mhm.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
yeah, it's just good to be aware of, that static also really works well.
yeah. 1 to 2, 1 to 3.
Yeah, bro. I think 1 to 3, like, yeah, it seems to work really well whenever we test stuff. It looks like
It works well. Sometimes it will take you longer to pass challenges because you'll stay on the break even for a while, but eventually when you'll have like a nice strike of wins, you'll make it very fast in 1 week, 2 weeks. You'll pass some challenges.
yeah, with scaling we've tried. Um, if you like, doesn't always create nice structure. So you like whenever you're at like 6, 7 RR, you end up exiting at 4R anyway because like the structure is there nicely, like nice structure. So you have your stop loss there, for instance. And maybe if you like just took a few, and maybe you lose then another one because you re-entered. So then you have like one loss and you end up, with maybe 3R or something.
Yeah.
And instead, if you just like entered with like 3 or something, like going for 3R on maybe two of the trades, you end up with like 6. It's like I don't know, it's worth exploring a little bit more.
Look what a beautiful trade we can take to get today. You would like it.
Wait, which one? Where?
Doji, it's a doji candle on the Nasdaq. If you'll go to the 15 minutes, you'll see that you have a nice resistance level that today twice on the morning it touched the levels.
This, yeah.
I was there in longs, yeah, there in longs, but actually now I see it as different.
Yeah, this looks good.
Okay.
This one,
You'll
no?
see your screen, wait.
9 o'clock.
See? Yeah. If you enter this doji,
Yeah.
1 to 10, 1 to 15, very, very fast.
Yeah, you enter over
Easy
it
one.
just a little bit above the area. Yeah. Realistically, you probably target this, which is like 8x. It's very similar to what I tested yesterday. Like, TUP USDS had like a little rejection, but not too much yet. Okay.
I think I want also to do something on Nasdaq, just trading support and resistance levels on the 15 minutes. They work very well with just breaking areas, test and go to the same direction.
Yeah, bro. Like,
I see
literally,
many people trade with it. Yeah, it works.
yeah, and also like you don't need necessarily more time frames. Like all you theoretically need, you can have one pair, one time frame, and you can make money like easy. Like
Yeah,
you don't necessarily
yeah,
need all the noise of the other time frames. Oh wait, but there's a fair value gap going on there. And on the 4 hour, oh the EMA is there on the like what I do as well. Like on the daily, it's almost reaching the EMA and all the stuff. Of course, it's good, but for a lot of people, it's probably a net negative because it will cloud their brain. And if you can handle it and if you use it well, it's good. But I think a lot of people misuse or like it's information overload, and then it will actually,
yeah,
you know, what we had in our first coaching session, basically, like you had like so much different things going on, which like was like clouding your brain in a way where you like looking at
yeah.
10 different things. And
lot of confluences, a lot of pairs,
yeah, and then you think, oh, it
combining
makes it
geopolitics,
easier.
news, fundamental.
Yeah, like you first think you add something because it will probably make your trading easier, or it will increase the win rate. But then if you add like
More for
multiple,
profitability. Yeah.
yeah, but if you add multiple, then suddenly it becomes like a fucking complex like puzzle, which
Yeah,
is
yeah,
like
yeah.
hindering more than it's like benefiting, you know?
Yeah,
The other
I
test that I did a
totally
few
agree
days
with it.
ago, the one with the AOIs, it was very simple, so simple, and the results also speak for itself there. It's like nothing really difficult about it. It's just oh, where did price respond from previous? Okay, we'll enter from there. No real fancy tricks, no shifts of structure on the lower time frame, no EMAs, no all that. No, not even looking at like the daily structure, the weekly structure, all that stuff. No, just strong areas, one time frame. It's yeah,
Yeah,
it can be as simple as that for sure.
yeah. Trading is supposed to be pretty simple. Sometimes we make it very difficult. We add many confluences, and we are trying to know everything what's going on. But eventually, after trading for a while, you understand that you can never know what's going on in the markets. You always feel like it's going against you. You just need to keep working the same way as a robot and same setup, same rules,
Yeah,
execute in the same areas, check it out in the backtesting. And as Tony says, I'm sure after 100 trade, I'm profitable. So that's the best thing that you can think about your trading.
yeah. You need to
Just
think, if you
execute
take
the
this trade
trades as you
100
know.
times, is it profitable? Yes, okay, you take it.
Yeah.
Just it doesn't need to be profitable, that trade.
And I think on the candle snap we did also on live and also backtesting probably more than 3,000 trades. More than 3,000. That's crazy. It's profitable, yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
So on live, also in backtesting. Let's see. If I didn't enter the AUD NSD, if I didn't enter the AUD NSD and eventually it will go up very nicely in the next few hours, I'll be upset with me, but I'll feel like I had enough trading now.
Yeah.
Like too many trades.
Look, for instance, this area, like you can like you lose some, but you overall you gain money, like you make money on it. Just you have like
Right? What
just
area?
like on GBP USD, just this small, like the small one that I drew up, like price above it, you buy off the area. Below, like you have multiple 3x 2x trades in here, and of course you lose some, because this one, for instance, you lose because you're probably looking for a short whenever it reaches it, and then you have your stop loss too tight, so I'll 1 sec, my girlfriend's calling me to see if it's important. 1 sec.
Okay, Tony, it's just me and you in the live. I think we will finish here. And we can go over some stuff in private in the Discord. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right, I'm back.
Okay, we can finish the live.
Yeah, I think we can
Mm,
finish it up.
yeah.
Yeah. Thank you
Guys,
for everyone who's been here. Thank you for the nice co-host Leo. He's gonna be a regular part, I think, of the streams and stuff. See more of him. And yeah, thank you for participating. If you're watching this back, feel free to join the Discord and yeah, leaving a like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Very much appreciated. And yeah, hopefully see you in the next one. Anything you have to add,
guys,
Leo? Just a nice thumbs
next time.
up. All right. See you later, guys.
Yes. Bye bye.
Bye bye.